Hi friends, today we are on tutorial day 2. Today I am going to explain the specifications of interactive TV. You are seeing uh, my specifications on the left side of my screen, which is showing from the Windows desktop. So that is accessing via any desk. If you want to control your Windows also, you can control from the interactive TV. Now I will show how to control Windows desktop from your from our interactive TV. See, I am just moving the mouse on the Windows screen. Okay, so then I will be moving the mouse. I'm changing the folder location. So then afterwards I will be bringing the folder location to the another side. Then I'm just moving the mouse to showing the picture. Okay, so now I'm moving the mouse to the Windows, the specifications. So in this way you can control the Windows desktop from our interactive TV. Now I am going to explain the specifications of the interactive TV. So the interactive TV is a infrared touch. So it is infrared touch which is very useful for doing cursive writing, or it's a very fast touch. See how fast I am writing on the screen. It is based on Android 11. So the interactive TV comes with multi-screen technology. So now you are seeing a multi-screen on my window. So actually our interactive TV has the processor of interactive TV has 4 GB RAM, 4 GB RAM and 32 GB inbuilt hard disk, inbuilt storage, inbuilt storage. So then it has a lot of inputs like HDMI, USB 2.0, USB 3.0, touch, earphone option, then COM port option. So all those things I am going to annotate on our screen. See, these are the inputs available in our interactive TV. So if you ask what are the connectivities available with the interactive TV, it supports LAN, LAN, Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, and 5G Wi-Fi. See, the 5G Wi-Fi is nowadays everyone's favorite. So everyone wants high speed for their interactive TV. So you can buy a 5G Wi-Fi router also from our end. We are providing 5G router also to you when you're buying a interactive TV. If you want, you can purchase from our end. So if you are a OTT lover, especially for OTT lovers. We are providing 40 watts, means 2 into 40 watt speaker available with interactive TV. Our interactive TV operates with 100 volt to 240 volt range. It supports both Indian and American standards because it supports 50 hertz to 60 hertz. American voltage, it comes with 110 with 60 hertz. Indian voltage, it comes with 240 with 50 hertz. So our interactive TV available at 65 inches, then 75 inches, then 86 inches. Yeah, that's all for the day today on day 2 tutorial. So tomorrow we will look into the another exciting feature from interactive TV on tutorial day 3. Bye for the day. If you want to buy a interactive TV, please contact Isight Solutions. We are displaying our WhatsApp numbers on the screen. 8110222694, 96983 10100. You can contact us and then get your quotation for your purchase. Bye for the day. Thank you all.